Alright guys, today we're playing a game called Jailbreak with my friend Shoot to Kill, also known as Abraham. Say hi. Okay, so right now we just spawned, but we're not gonna start at the other base, so we don't have to like just sit and wait to get out. So let's go. Here, turn your volume down on your thing like all the way, cause I can hear it like all the way. Thank you. Okay, I'll turn mine down too, like all the way. No, I'll turn it to like turn yours down all the way. Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't hear the game, which is good. Alright, so are we gonna go, what are we gonna do? Rob stuff or? Oh, yeah, I have a shotgun and a pistol. Yeah, it doesn't do any damage, to be honest. On my main, which I forgot the password, it's only on Xbox now, I have the swap, but it's not that good, to be honest. Aiden just called me. Oh, yeah, no, people just robbed it. If Aiden calls you, just type him a message that says later. Cause he's spam calling me. Oh yeah. Yeah, in a way. Yeah, I told you, he's probably gonna call you. Just type him a custom message that says later. Alright, let's see if there's any money in here. Oh yeah, I'm Razor, also known as Caleb, by the way. No, it's empty. Right now, I'm gonna save up to get the ATV, because it's actually a really good, vehicle. I wouldn't say car, because it's not a car, but. Because you can, it's like a perk and a glitch at the same time, but watch them. You can go up hills backwards. Yeah, it's more of like a straight thing. Just go on a building. Just go on a building. It'll be easier. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm BFK for a second. Alright, I'm back. Isn't that the max? Oh. But he's been able to get really good at it. A reason he probably can't do it is because of this little ledge up here. It's probably gonna just knock him off. Go on a normal building. Like, go to the biggest building over there. See it over there? With the helipad one? Oh, he's got the Tron bike. He just flung them everywhere. Oh, bank's open, but we don't have a key card. Yeah, just do this one. You'll mess up and fall down. And we did it! Yay! See if you can try and drop off to the red building to our right. Or our left. To your left? Not the one over there, but the one on the right. I mean left, sorry. Yeah, that one. Oh, we did it! Your tire was like on the very. Oh, we did it again! Oh. I believe I can fly. I know. Oh, sweet music. It's I think it's Raining Bullets. I think it's I Walk Alone or something like that. Yeah.
Let me show you what happens if you guys go fast.
All right, just wait here for the bank to open.
I'm gonna tell Aiden that me and wait, I'm gonna tell Aiden that me and Kaden were
Oh, cop, 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 cop! Run, 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 run! Yeah. Oh, go to the train. The train's here. I'll tell you if they come to us because I have the Lamborghini. So yeah, he's in our game. This is Aiden, by the way, but I've already posted a video on that. I think, yeah, I'm gonna delete that video actually because it doesn't have good voicing at all. Dude, he's already got me to half health, and he did hit me twice.
that's like no, yeah, that's impossible.
No, it's not. He's doing that thing where you spam click one for the pistol till it does like 20 times more damage. Oh wait, never mind. He's doing this thing. Plus, it also shoots faster. I hope this guy knows that his bank's closed.
I told Aiden that we're charging our phones, so we're not talking at all.
Oh, I feel mean. Oh,
That's actually a pretty good idea. Tell him that.
there's the bike. There's
Not that Lamborghini. Well, that's
right over him, right over the Lamborghini. Remember how you did that one time? Oh, jukes. The funny thing is how we're faster than the Lamborghini. Dude, try and climb up the mountain to escape him. Or something. He said team. He said team. Should we team?
yeah, we should. Okay, maybe. Let's see.
Let's hold on. Oh, nope, nope, nope. He's not teaming. Oh wait, that's not the wrong guy. It's the guy in the Lambo. Dude, run, 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 run. Yeah. He said no. He said no. He said don't arrest them. He said come.
I'm gone.
They're probably gonna arrest us anyway. Just leave them. Slash. Hold on, I'll type. You just go.
They're lying so bad. Why is it glitching now?
They're trying to arrest. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Go, 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 go. Scrubs. Oh crap. Go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. Dude. 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 Don't let them get us.
Lamborghini, I want to see this Lamborghini.
That's a Bugatti. Where's his Lamborghini? He's in it. He's in it. He's in it. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Oh, it's gonna be hilarious.
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. I didn't press enter. I pressed shift.
You're right here, bro.
Oh, 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 no, 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 no. Go, 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 go. Wait, he is. No, he's not good. He's not good. He's not good. How did he not take any what? Slash liar. Dude, this dude's such a liar. Honestly. Okay, guys, well, I think I'm gonna end the video there just because of the liar. His name is the Flashflux TV, TF. So remember to watch out for people who say team, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, like and subscribe, and bye.